How to trim a video in Instagram story. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can trim a video in Instagram story. So without further delay, let's get started with our video. First of all, launch your Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Once you're here, tap on Add Story from the top left corner. Now you have to choose a video from your gallery that you want to add in your Instagram story. Once you have added your video, if you see or tap on the three dot icon from the top right corner, there is no any option to edit your video in order to trim your video. But rather uploading or rather trimming your video from the story section, you can first of all add a post, trim a video from that post and save that to gallery and then upload it to a story. So for that, let's close this first. Then tap on the plus icon from the bottom of your home page. Here you have to select the same video that you want to add in your story. Tap on next from the top right corner. Now here you will have this edit video option at the bottom left corner. Tap on it. Now you can trim your video. Tap on the video on the timeline and trim according to your preference. Tap on split and you can discard or remove the remaining part. Tap on discard. Now once you have trimmed your video according to your preference, you can save this video to your gallery. For that, once you're here, scroll down or navigate at the bottom, there is a menu bar. Swipe that to your left, tap on the save button, tap on save to camera roll. Now once you have saved this video successfully to your camera roll, close this. From your home page, tap on the plus icon or add story at the top left corner. Now there is a video that you have trimmed recently. Tap on it and add this to your story. So that's how you can trim a video in Instagram and upload it in your story. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.